Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Dorsey again, and today we're going to do a couple of more subtraction word problems together, practicing those strategies we've been talking about. Remember, we're always going to circle our numbers and try to find our key words. Okay, boys and girls, our first word problem today says Gunnar had $35. He spent $23 on a video game. How much money does he have now? Okay, the first thing that we're going to do always is we're going to go in and we're going to circle our numbers. Today we have 35 and 23 are the numbers in our word problem. Okay, and did anybody see any keywords? Okay, have now are going to be my keywords. Okay, that is going to tell me that I'm going to subtract to solve this problem. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my problem. Which number goes on top? Biggest number, that's right, always the biggest number. Well, 3 tens is more than 2 tens, so I know 35 is my bigger number. So I'm going to put 35, my subtraction sign, and 23. So I've got my problem ready to solve. This problem, I'm going to use the expanded form method to solve it. Okay, boys and girls, remember expanded form is breaking the number apart by its value. So I'm going to look at 35 first since it's my biggest number, and I know the value of 3 tens is 30. That's right. So I'm going to do 30 plus the value of 5 ones is 5. So 30 plus 5. Now I'm going to look at 23. The value of 2 tens is 20 plus the value of 3 ones is 3. So I've got my numbers in expanded form. I'm going to draw my line. I'm going to put my subtraction sign because I'm subtracting. I'm going to start in the ones place always starting in the ones place. Always start in the ones place, boys and girls. Okay, so I'm going to say 5 minus 3 is 2. Bring down my addition sign right here. And now I'm going to look here. I know that 0 plus 0 is 0, and 3 minus 2 is 1, or 30 minus 20 is 10. And then I'm going to put my tens and my ones together to find my answer. 10 plus 2 is 12. That's right, boys and girls. So the answer to the problem would be 12. Gunnar has $12 left after he bought his video game. Okay, boys and girls? Now we're going to go look at another problem together. Okay. This problem says that Molly made 27 snowballs. She gave Charlie 13 of the snowballs. How many snowballs does she have left? It's the first thing I'm going to do. Circle my numbers. That's right, boys and girls. I'm going to circle my numbers. And then I'm going to find my what? Keywords. That's right, boys and girls. And they would be have left. I'm going to see how much I have left. She gave some away. So we know we're going to subtract. We're going to find out what she has left. First thing I'm going to do always, I'm going to set up my problem. Bigger number on top, 2713. 27's bigger, so it's going to go on top, minus 13. Okay. To solve this problem, boys and girls, I'm going to use the base 10 method. So I'm going to drag my base 10 blocks over here. I know that I need 2 tens because 2's in the tens place. And then I need 7 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I've got my base 10 blocks. Now I'm going to come in and I'm going to write my smaller number. Oops, sorry, forgot to hit the button. My smaller number underneath. The 3 under the ones place and the 1 under the tens place. And now I'm going to subtract, and remember, subtract is to take away. So I'm going to take away 3 ones and see what I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Had 4 left. And then I'm going to do the same thing in my tens. I'm going to take 1 away, and I only have 1 left because 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, boys and girls, so 27 minus 13 is 14. You could come over here. The traditional algorithm way, which we're going to talk about later, would be 7 minus 3 is 4, and 2 minus 1 is 1. And you see we get the same answer. Most important thing to remember is to always start in the ones place, boys and girls. Okay? So I hope you have a good day, and I will see you again tomorrow to talk about subtraction word problems again. See you tomorrow, boys and girls.